It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and hindi makokompleto yung ating boodle pag walang kanin. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng ating paboritong Java rice.
Simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya gagawa tayo ngayon ng very simple Java rice recipe but we are going to make it two ways. So simulan natin yung pinaka-basic natin, ang paggawa ng ating annatto oil. 1/4 cup of oil. So we're using Golden Fiesta canola oil and we just heat up our oil and add our seeds. No? Ganun lang kasimple. No? And we just wait for our oil to be infused with an orange color. Once maluto na yung ating annatto, naging orange na yung ating oil, isi-strain natin siya and ganito yung magiging itsura. Look at that. Very nice, beautiful, bright orange color. Yan! Pakulo kayo ng tubig. Lalagyan natin siya ng banana ketchup. Of course, UFC banana ketchup. Lalagyan din natin siya ng ating annatto oil. Salt, everything. And we season with salt. Dapat may salt para may lasa yung ating annatto. And immediately we add our rice. Yan. Ito, medyo, di ba, inabsorb na yung tubig ko kanina na ginamit ko pang hugas. Leave it there. Kung may buo-buo ka pang banana ketchup, you just have to dissolve it. So I'll just cover that and let that simmer. And gagawin na natin yung ating second way of making our Java rice. Kung may kaning lamig ka, hindi kailangan masayang. Heat up my pan. What we will do is we will saute ating annatto oil. Yan, ingat lang kasi nakakamansya yung ating annatto oil. Ito din yung binabrush natin sa ating chicken inasal. And we add our rice, kaning lamig. We will also add our UFC banana ketchup. And we season with salt. Diba? Perfect na pang partner sa ating mga inihaw. For me, personally, gusto ko yung salt level ko is para malasahan ko yung fried rice. Pero hindi siya dapat maalat na magko-compete siya sa ulam. So, alalay lang yung alat niya. May Java rice na tayo, yung ating fried rice method. And meron din tayong Java rice. Almost done. Ating saing method. I'll just mix it up. Yan, look at that. Beautiful color. Yan. So, ito na yung ating Java rice cooked two different ways. Halos pareho lang yung recipe natin. Pero yung technique lang tayo nagkakaiba. Remember, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!